Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Dkenicor buffer polisher. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: heat-resistant copper wire motor. Our car buffer polisher has built-in 1600 watts high-efficiency heat-resistant copper wire motor to ensure that the polishing machine will not overheat under normal operation. It is durable and does not burn the machine easily. High-performance car polisher provides professional user experience. 7-level speed control. This polisher for car detailing has 7 variable speed, range from 500 to 3500 rpm. You can adjust the speed to suit a variety of tasks or materials. 1 to 2, low speed, speed for waxing and buffing. 3 to 4, medium speed, speed for polishing and cleaning. 5 to 7, high speed, speed for removing paint defect. It is the best choice for beginners and professionals. Ergonomic design. The rotary buffer car polisher size is 15.7 x 3.5 x 3.1 inch. Weighing just 4.57 pounds, the detachable D-handle heel side handle is ergonomic and provides a comfortable grip. The switch lock design ensures the stability of speed, and is more convenient to operate while saving labor, suitable for novices. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is 7 pieces polishing pads. Car buffer polisher comes with 7 pieces polishing pads. Coarse pads, wool, orange, black, are used for grinding. Medium pads, yellow, red, are used for polishing and removing moderate swirls. Fine pads, green, blue, are used for restoring the surface. Easily meet your daily polishing needs. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.